Hello, students, and good morning to you, one and all. Today, I welcome you to study the prose topic 1.4, that is Big Data, Big Insight, in this lecture. Before I turn to this topic, let me tell you in short about the previous topic, that is Indian Weavers, written by the well known poetess Sarojini Naidu. Here we have learned the three stages of life, that is childhood, adult age, and old age. The poem teaches us to accept sorrow, joy in our life. All of us experience happy and sad moments. Now, we will switch on towards the topic, that is big data, big insights. Technology is just a tool in terms of getting the kids to work together and motivating them. The teacher is the most important factor. An English teacher is an instant hint for his online lessons but trolled mercilessly. Now we will see what you mean by big data. Big data means massive amount of information and records collected from multiple sources that can be analyzed to derive insights and trends. Insight means introspection, frequently used with. What is big data? Friends, do you know what happens when we like a post on Facebook or share a post on WhatsApp, visit any website, make an online purchase, or watch videos? Yes, whatever activity we do online is recorded, monitored, and analyzed. So, a huge amount of data is collected. And that big data, it can be in petabytes or exabytes of data consisting of billions to trillions of records of millions of people, all from different sources. Now we'll see how the data is collected from different sources. The sources of data are web, sales, customer contact centers, social media, mobile data, and so on. Now, who use the big data? Various industries, companies, institutions, organizations. In the next slide, we are going to see what is the use of such big data. Big data analytics is the complex process of examining large and varied data sets or big data to uncover information such as hidden patterns, unknown correlations, market trends, and customer preferences. The next slide we are going to see. Let's see the importance and use of big data in various industries, companies, institutions, and organizations. Use of big data. Location tracking. Useful in identifying and tracking the exact location of a place. Your GPS and Google Maps make use of big data. With the help of this picture, you can understand how to trace the exact location by using the GPS and Google Maps. B. With geographical positioning and radio frequency identification sensors, we get the real-time data about traffic conjunctions on a particular route, information if the route is closed or if it is one-way route, understanding accident-prone areas, and etc. Next, your you can plan your own route according to the travel time and the transportation of goods. If you have ordered something online, you can track the location of your goods in transit. The next slide, you can see, you can also track the condition of the goods. Help the logistic companies to reduce risks in transport, improve speed and reliability in delivery. Next is second point, understanding the weather patterns. Nowadays you'll find weather pattern understanding has become an important part in our life. There are weather sensors and satellites set up all around the globe. Huge amount of data is continuously being received from them. In that you can see the next part. They help us to understand the weather and help in weather forecasting. Weather pattern gives us warning of the implementing natural calamities like floods, earthquakes, tsunamis, etc. Next, necessary preparations to combat them can be made all well in advance. D. We can study global warming, predict availability of natural resources like water. Students, today we'll stop here and continue with the next part on coming Saturday. That's all for the moment.